Okay, it's the 24th of May. It's a Wednesday. We actually have some much needed precipitation going to cross the state. Um, for some, it'll help out. For others, it's going to be not enough. This shows you the radar map this afternoon. This is around 3 in the afternoon. It's just entering northern Pennsylvania. You can see some of these bigger areas here. Could be thunderstorms attached to those. This starts to come down. This is around um, 4. They move pretty quick. This is 5. This is 6. And you can see it's already cleared the northern part. It's moving down to central and southeastern and south central PA. You can see not a lot of relief out here, but it could help a little bit here, especially if one of these pops up to be a little bit of a heavier downpour, even a thunderstorm. You can see it moves down here. This is around 7 o'clock. Here's 8 o'clock. It's getting down towards Lancaster, the suburbs of Philadelphia, central New Jersey, and then it comes across and it goes across and then out by midnight. This is midnight. It's pretty much out of the story. Amount of precipitation we get out of this, it depends on the angle and where the thunderstorms hit, but you can see it's hit or miss for the heavier rain. But there is some hope in here that some of these areas where you can see the blues and the whites and the yellows and reds could even, could get a pretty good downpour. But this is not a long lasting rain. It's what we kind of need to moisten the ground up. Okay, so that's the situation with that. Now, the good news is Memorial Day is going to turn out to be a really great day. Thanks to the storm that's off the southeastern coast. It's not a hurricane down there, but it's got rotation. It's got some strong winds and it's got some heavier rains. But what that does is that will help bring in some drier weather for Monday than originally was thought. And also, it will bring in some heat. Okay, so the heat turns on Monday. You can see a lot of 80s across the state, mid 80s in some areas, western PA, through Allentown, Reading, Harrisburg here, temperatures in the mid 80s. So it's warm precipitation wise for the 24-hour period on Monday is nothing. It's all to the south. That's where that storm is at down south down there. On Tuesday, it warms up even a few more degrees, getting close to 90 up in here out towards the western part of the state, central part of the state near 90. Area here where it was 85 is now up 4 or 5 degrees, close to 90. Even Philadelphia in the mid 80s here, partly because you're getting the breeze off the coast because of the storm down south. So actually, it's cooler along the shoreline and it works its way in towards Philadelphia where it's cooler. That's why it's warmer up here and a little cooler down here by a few degrees because of the flow of the air. And then on Wednesday, the heat really turns on. The storm moves away a little bit, and we're talking low to mid 90s on Monday for a lot of areas. Everybody else is in the mid to upper 80s on Wednesday, and it turns into a summer day there for a few days. Precipitation wise, nothing on Wednesday. So enjoy the summer weather Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Okay, take it easy. This is Fred, and I'll talk to you if any of this changes.